Imagine this: you're racing to security with your carry-on, heart racing, as you approach the scanner. Suddenly, you hear a beep. You've been flagged for extra screening while everyone else breezes through. Does this sound familiar? If you dread fumbling with awkward shoelaces, uncomfortable cabin temperatures, or feeling drained upon arrival, this video is for you. Welcome back to Travel Tactics. Today, I'll discuss the most troublesome travel outfits that can transform simple trips into stressful experiences. I will highlight specific clothing choices that can slow you down at security, leave you shivering at cruising altitude, or cause unexpected pinching and chafing. I'll also share smart alternatives that ensure you remain comfortable and mobile from curb to gate. Before diving in, be sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our essential travel hacks. Chapter 1: Footwear Fails. Airport security is set up to detect metal, with metal accents on clothing like buckles or studs triggering alarms. Footwear is often the biggest culprit. Knee-high or lace-up boots with numerous buckles may look stylish, but each adds metal that needs to be removed or could trigger further checks. Sneakers with large eyelets, metal logos, or heavy-duty designs can also cause delays as TSA inspects them carefully. The best shoe choice is minimal slip-on sneakers or loafers made without metal hardware. These types allow for fast removal and reapplication while maintaining support. Besides hardware, consider the soles. Thick, rigid soles can be uncomfortable on cold tile surfaces and can hinder movement on moving walkways or wet areas near restrooms. Shoes that have flexible cushioned soles provide traction and slight folding when needed, making them perfect for stowing under seats or in overhead bins. When choosing travel shoes, look for those labeled as airport-friendly or security-compliant. Many brands now create styles specifically engineered for quick screening, offering low-profile aesthetics with features like pull tabs and elastic gussets for easy removal. Chapter 2: Sock Smarts. Going through security barefoot is unwise. Airport floors can host bacteria, and metal trays for personal items are seldom cleaned, so socks serve as your first line of defense. A simple pair of cotton blend crew socks create a barrier against germs. However, beyond hygiene, socks are essential for health and comfort. On flights longer than 2 hours, blood often pools in the lower legs, leading to swelling and fatigue. Compression socks offer graduated pressure, with the strongest at the ankles and decreasing towards the calves, promoting circulation and reducing swelling. Modern designs of compression socks come in discreet shades and subtle patterns, fitting under trousers without drawing attention. These socks also lower the risk of deep vein thrombosis by encouraging healthy blood flow during inactivity. Breathable, moisture-wicking fibers evacuate sweat, preventing the clammy sensation from plastic-lined cabin floors. Keeping an extra pair of fresh socks in your personal item bag ensures you can change mid-flight, maintaining warmth and hygiene. Chapter 3: Bottoms that work. Wearing shorts might seem ideal in warm weather, but temperatures inside aircraft can drop significantly. Additionally, shorts leave your skin exposed to spills and unsanitary surfaces in lavatories. Choosing the right pants is crucial. Jeans can be stiff and rigid, causing discomfort with tight waistbands during long flights. Instead, opt for travel trousers or joggers made from knit fabrics containing elastane or spandex. These materials stretch with your movements and adapt when sitting. Look for waistbands that feature elastic inserts or drawstrings that adjust during the flight, eliminating pinching. Tapered leg openings prevent fabric from dragging on restroom floors or catching on airport seats. Some specialized travel pants include hidden security pockets, stain-resistant coatings, and moisture-wicking finishes, combining comfort with functionality. Chapter 4: One-Piece Pitfalls. One-piece outfits like jumpsuits and rompers can create stylish silhouettes but complicate basic needs while traveling. While they are suitable for lounging at home, airplane restroom constraints require quick access to undergarments. A two-piece outfit allows easy removal of one layer when nature calls, reducing time spent in cramped spaces. Moreover, wearing separates gives you the flexibility to mix and match. You could wear a lightweight blouse with travel pants during the flight, then switch to a more formal shirt for meetings upon arrival. This modular approach simplifies laundry as well. If one top gets wrinkled or stained, you can easily replace it without a complete outfit change, ideal for varying climates or purposes. Chapter 5: Underwear Essentials. Since underwear is closest to the skin, choosing the right fabric is important. Synthetic blends like polyester can trap heat and moisture, leading to chafing in warm, humid conditions. Opt for cotton blends or performance fabrics with moisture-wicking fibers to stay dry and comfortable. Microfiber options offer stretch, ensuring consistent comfort whether sitting upright or reclining. Packing an extra pair of clean underwear in a plastic bag allows for a quick change upon landing, revitalizing both physical comfort and mental state. Fresh undergarments help you tackle sightseeing or meetings feeling invigorated rather than fatigued. Chapter 6: Mastering Layers. Terminals and cabins have different HVAC systems, so temperatures can be unpredictable. Start with a lightweight technical tea or moisture wicking base layer to regulate temperature and wick moisture while moving. Layer a merino wool sweater, fleece, or cotton blend hoodie over it to trap warmth without bulk. Finally, add a durable windbreaker or compressible down jacket for flexibility, which can fold into a pocket. This 3-layer method allows you to adapt to any environment. Remove the windbreaker indoors, shed the mid-layer during activity, or layer up again to stay warm. Many modern travel jackets feature hidden pockets, RFID blocking compartments, and headphone ports, blending insulation with secure storage. Chapter 7: Accessory and Device Hacks. Accessories are a great touch to an outfit but can slow down security lines. Chunky jewelry, metal-framed wristlets, and wide leather belts must be removed, causing delays. Instead, keep jewelry in a small zippered pouch within your carry-on. After passing security, you can accessorize without holding up the line. Apply the same logic to medical devices like insulin pumps or glucose monitors. Always carry a physician's note or TSA notification card to present at screening. Confirm the latest TSA rules for specific devices to avoid confusion and minimize secondary screening time. Chapter 8: Pocket Purge Trick. Organizing your essentials into a single jacket pocket can reduce clutter. Put your passport, boarding pass, phone, and wallet all together, then send the jacket through the X-ray machine. Everything stays in one place, reducing the chances of forgetting anything. Once past security, retrieve your jacket, and all your essentials will be ready to go. This technique helps you move quickly through checkpoints and reduces the need for post-screening searches for misplaced items. Chapter 9: Outfits to avoid. Avoid clothing that restricts movement or requires constant adjustments. Very lightweight materials, rigid skinny jeans, shapewear as outerwear, or form-fitting dresses can inhibit comfort. Complex tops or pants with excessive zippers and buttons slow your movement in lavatories and during the security process. Also, shoes like stilettos or heavy dress shoes can add to these issues, providing limited support and extending removal time. If formal attire is necessary, pack those clothes in your carry-on and change at the gate to ensure a smoother journey. Your travel outfit significantly influences your trip, affecting security speed, in-flight comfort, and readiness upon arrival. By choosing minimalist shoes, hygienic socks, stretchy bottoms, layer-friendly garments, and streamlined accessories, you can navigate airports and airplanes with ease. If these tips help you feel more comfortable and efficient, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss another travel hack. Share your travel outfit challenges below, and let's support each other for smarter travel. Safe journeys.